Hey, this is Ryan at Rad Ideas, and I'd like to walk you through how you would set up Google Analytics so that you aren't seeing information that's coming from Google bots that are being seen by Google, so that your analytics are a little more true. And we're going to start here by seeing I've got all my website data for my site. So I'm going to click to get in to see all the site, and you'll see here's the control panel. Okay, so up here at admin, I'm going to choose admin, and I'm going to go over here to the right. Notice that it says all website data, so nothing's being filtered. Okay, I'm going to come down here to filters. All right, now notice I have added some filters here. Okay, and let me show you, this is what we're going to create: spam crawler filters 1 through 5. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to show you some settings here, and I will provide you with a list of this info. So there's the title. Notice custom is the filter type. Exclude campaign source, meaning I don't want to see things from these sources. And there is a long list here of information which are essentially website addresses of either known spammers or bots that do things that appear to be spam visits to your website. Okay, so I've got the name of the filter, I've got custom, campaign source, I've got the filter pattern. Now once again, we're going to do 4 different patterns of this. Okay, notice nothing else is checked. I'm going to hit save. Okay, and notice here I've done the exact same thing multiple times. Filter, custom, source, and then a different list. Okay, and saved. All right, so it's done 4 times, but notice this one, in number 5, we're going to do something different, and that is that we want to make sure that any languages that are not the default language of our website get filtered out in view, because some languages, people pretend that they've made up a language. Like the most recent one is secretgoogle.com, you are invited, get this ticket URL, copy it, vote for Trump. Totally spam. So here's how you filter that out: custom, exclude, language settings, okay, and then the list. And if you've got a question about should there be something here excluded, you can always jump back into your analytics and look at your reporting, okay, and come down to the language settings and see if any oddball languages show up. Okay, if there's anything in your list that does not appear to be correct, then insert, notice there's that one I was talking about. Okay, copy the language that you feel like is not correct. Okay, and we're going to add it here in this field, the filter pattern. Adding these is going to add a rule that going forward it will exclude the details. Okay, coming back here, I want to see without this info these things. So I'm going to create a new segment to view. Okay, I'm going to say new segment, and I'm going to add it spam filtered conditions, filter sessions, exclude. And what I'm going to do here is set up a custom view that allows me to filter out those bad sources that I've already added to the list through the spam filters here. Okay, so I'm going to copy and paste these lists once again into here, hit or, and I'm going to add the next one, or add the next one, 4, and this should be the last one. Okay, so the source, I'm going to add filter. And I'm going to copy in that that lovely Trump address, language contains, okay, and I'm going to hit save. And notice here, I now have a menu here that allows me to look between the all users basic or the spam filtered that I just created, so that I can see just the traffic that came from, if you exclude the spam filters, what it is. See, now look there, it is showing me just what came from the Trump setting, which means that I inadvertently said to only include language contains, include. I want to exclude. We're going to hit save, and this should render correctly now. There we go. All right, now notice that one from the Google spam Trump is now gone. Okay, and I also have a revised numbers. You get an idea here. 86.44% of the sessions are now considered legitimate based on what I have cut out using the filters. So that is how you can get a filtered view and keep the spam from populating this list and creating incorrect Google Analytics for you.